The magic of maths. Simplifying fractions made easy. Hello and welcome everyone. Today we're diving deep into the world of fractions. Specifically, we're going to explore a very crucial part of understanding fractions: simplifying fractions or reducing fractions to their lowest terms. This might seem a bit tricky, but once you grasp the concept, it will be a piece of cake. Before we dive into simplifying fractions, let's quickly recap what a fraction is. A fraction is a way of expressing a number that is less than 1 or the division of two numbers. Fractions consist of two parts: the numerator, which is the number above the fraction line, and the denominator, which is the number below the fraction line. For example, in the fraction 3/4, 3 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator. Now, let's tackle our main topic: simplifying fractions. This means reducing a fraction to its lowest terms. A fraction is in its lowest terms when the numerator and denominator are as small as possible. This means they don't have any common factors other than 1. For example, the fraction 2/4 can be simplified to 1/2. So how do we actually simplify fractions? We follow these steps. 1. Find the greatest common divisor, GCD. The first step in simplifying fractions is to find the greatest common divisor of the numerator and the denominator. The GCD is the largest number that can divide both numbers without leaving a remainder. 2. Divide by the GCD. Once you have found the GCD, divide both the numerator and the denominator of the fraction by the GCD. 3. Write the simplified fraction. The resulting fraction is your simplified fraction. Let's take an example: 8/12. The GCD of 8 and 12 is 4. If we divide both 8 and 12 by 4, we get 2/3. So, 8/12 simplified is 2/3. And that wraps up our quick lesson on simplifying fractions. Always remember, simplifying fractions is all about finding the greatest common divisor and dividing both the numerator and the denominator by it. This will help you simplify or reduce any fraction to its lowest terms. Keep practicing, and you'll get the hang of it in no time. Thank you for watching and happy learning.